Okay, so I don't have a lot of stuff I can say about Super without repeating every single person alive, so here's some stuff that I don't like about Super. That 90s feel to the bosses are kinda cool at first, but in 2021, clarity makes a huge difference, and this becomes less and less appealing as a trait to me over time. Jank, just all over, just jank. The jump height distance ratio has always been weird to me. This floatiness and its general control and hitbox is what makes the game famous for its speedruns, but is also distractingly disappointing for me. I'd rather have Zero Mission's physics in Super than actual Super's physics. The music does nothing for me. They're great compositions on their own and I won't deny it, but the compression of the audio, my god, desperately needs a remixing on modern software. Sound effects included. Actually, if anybody just got a link to that, I'd love to hear some of it. Like, yes, absolutely, of course Super goes at the top of the list, without question, but I still won't replay it as much as I would Prime 1 or even Fusion. That's just me though.